Well, greetings viewers, welcome back to the Shooting Box Shed for another air rifle video. This time I've got my ASG Tac Repeater. I'm not going to do a review of the rifle because I think it's been done adequately elsewhere, but I'll quickly show you the setup as I do it. So first of all, it takes an 88 gram CO2 cartridge, but I've bought an adapter for a caplet, so I'll drop one of those in. A bit more economical, and means that the CO2 doesn't sit in the gun for quite as long. So we simply tighten it down. This is a very robust piece of plastic. We'll cover that goes on nicely. And all you've got to do is simply withdraw the spindle for the rotary magazine. I've already preloaded that. That slides in the side and the gate shuts behind it. Pull the spindle, and apart from cocking the gun with this handle on the front, for the first time, that's all you need to do. There's quite a convenient safety here under the thumb at the back, and that's your lock. So this time I don't have to fiddle around with any Allen keys. I've got finger adjustment on this sight, which will be nice. I've got a camera on the target this time, but I'm going to shoot for the safety of the camera. I'm going to shoot at another target. Let's turn on a green spot at about mid brightness. See where this goes. No idea. Can't see that. Let's try again. It's going down and to the right, so I think we'll be safe on the real target. So here's the first shot. So, it's not far, about an inch to the left, but it's gone way high. So, do it. One more shot. So. Pellets in. So that didn't go too well because basically I can't really see what's going on with the target. It's not as easy to see the strike points from here without a telescopic sight. So after a lot of running backwards and forwards to the target, I've got it fairly close, about as accurate as you can be with a red dot at 15 yards. So next on the agenda for this gun, I'm going to use it to test out a new night shooting target that I've developed. It's basically a light up LED target, and the more you hit it, the more it lights up. And it should be a lot of fun and offer a bit of an alternative to the usual tin can shooting and target shooting. So look out for that video, and it'll be something different. Okay, thanks for watching, see you next time.